Hey everyone, welcome to my channel tutorial lore. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to create Uber driver account in United States for free. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel tutorial lore. Let's go for how to create Uber driver account in United States for free. So first you have to download the Uber application from the Play Store. After that, open it. After that, you will come here. Now you have to select United States of America country. If United States of America doesn't come here on his own, by clicking on the flag and find United States and enter your mobile number after completing these steps. Now you have to confirm your information, your first name and last name, and then again click on flag and search United States and enter your number, and then tick on I'm agree, and then next, and then click on get started, and then your account will be created. This is the easiest way of how to create Uber driver account in United States for free. Hope you guys would have liked this video. If yes too, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any problem, then you can tell in the comment.